Hello my dear friends. Today we discuss a English topic, that is rules for using single word simple preposition at. So what is preposition? Pre means before, position means placed. A word that is placed before noun and pronoun and relate to other word of a sentence is called preposition. So there are three types of preposition: simple preposition, compound preposition and phrase preposition. Today we discuss simple preposition at. So here are some examples. So let's discuss and find out the rule. So the first sentence is, he lives at Shahid Nagar in Bhubaneswar. Here at is the preposition. It indicates, so it shows the specific location of the object. So here at, he lives at Shahid Nagar means here Shahid Nagar is the specific location, and in Bhubaneswar, here in is also a preposition, but it shows the wider sense or wider location. So here at indicate specific location. So in specific location we use preposition at. In second sentence, we reached home at sunset. Here is also the preposition is at, but here it indicates a specific time or particular time. Here at is the preposition and it indicates the particular time or point of time. So at point of time or particular time or specific time, we use preposition at. So at point of time. In third sentence, he is good at mathematics. Here at mathematics means it is the ability or activity of the subject. Here good at mathematics means he is good at mathematics means it is the ability of the person or of the object. So in ability or activity we use preposition at. So we use at ability. The fourth sentence is, the government shall be good at auction. Here government shall be good at auction. Here at is also preposition, and here at auction means here at indicate the action of an agency. Here the government is the agency and be good at auction is the action. So at of an action of an agency we use preposition at. So at is used at action of an agency. So in fifth rule, he charges interest at 5%. Here he charges interest at 5%. At is the preposition. At 5% means here at shows the rate of interest. So at a rate of interest we use preposition at. So at is used at a rate of interest. So at rate of interest we use preposition at. In sixth sentence, he allows discount at 10%. Here he allows discount at 10% means in discount or in concession we use preposition at. So in discount or in concession we use the preposition at. So at is used at discount or concession. In seventh sentence, the object is now at rest. Here at rest, here at indicate the position of the object. So at rest means the object now in rest. So in rest position or in the so to express the position in rest we use preposition at. So at express the position of the object. At express the position of the object. And the last sentence, he sells potato at 20 rupees per kg. Here 20 rupees per kg means here the value of the object. So here at relate the 20 rupees and the potato here means the value of the object. So in value we use at. So at is used in value. So we discuss 8 rules. The first rule is specific location, second rule is specific time, third rule is ability, and fourth rule is action of an agency, fifth rule is rate of interest, sixth rule is discount or concession, and seventh rule is position of the object, and eighth rule is value. So in this 8 rule we use the preposition at. Thank you.